Right, I'm egressing. I'm shot up.
109 Woodshake, got a...
Crap.
Yeah, I'm diving out, trying to get as much speed as I can and get the hell out of here.
Getting shot at again. I'm heading north.
500.
Holy jeez.
Yeah, I've got 2 after me. That's not good. I'll drop right down.
That one's left my tail. I outran him. Whereabouts are you guys getting shot up at? I see you down there. Oh, I've got the Spitfire on the tail, so I'm going to bring you into your group. Nice.
Who did that?
You 2 guys heading back towards France. I'm bringing a Spitfire towards you.
Don't bring it towards me, I've lost my engine.
Okay. I think